Hello everyone and welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Mohammad Osama and today we're going to talk about environmental pathology. So let's take a look at the contents of this lecture. So in environmental pathology, we are going to talk about physical injuries, including mechanical injuries, thermal injuries, electrical injuries, and radioactive injuries. We're going to talk about chemical abuse. We are going to talk about environmental chemical injuries and as well as adverse effects of therapeutic drugs. So in mechanical injuries, we're going to look into the types of mechanical injuries, the causes of death because of mechanical injuries, and a specific type of mechanical injuries, which are gunshot wounds. In the next section, we're going to talk about the other types of physical injuries, including thermal, electrical, and radioactive injuries. Thermal injuries can either be due to increased temperature or decreased temperature, which is either too hot or too cold. If the temperature is too much, it can lead to thermal injuries, which are known as burns. And if it is too low, it can lead to freezing. On the other hand, electrical injuries are because of electrical shock. And radioactive injuries are because of the exposure to different type of ionizing radiation. In the next section, we're going to talk about chemical abuse, and we're going to look at different type of substances which are commonly abused by individuals, including alcohol, tobacco, and drugs as well. In the next section, we're going to talk about environmental chemical injuries, in which we're going to talk about different type of chemical toxins which are usually present in our surrounding and they have negative health impacts, such as methyl alcohol, carbon monoxide, carbon tetrachloride, cyanide, lead, and polychlorinated biphenyls. In the last section of this lecture, we're going to talk about adverse effects of therapeutic drugs. We are going to talk about the drugs which are most commonly used by individuals, such as antibiotics and sulfonamides, analgesics, and cancer therapeutic drugs, which is a very special type of drugs which is used in the management of malignancies and cancer. So please stay tuned to sqadia.com so that we can learn more about different types of environmental pathologies.